But this is really intriguing, isn't it? 27 minutes in, Man City all the possession. But every time Crystal Palace get it forward, they look as though they're going to cause a problem.
And Richards is the man with the strong arms. Harlan jumping for it, not really getting it. Coming out to Wharton, difficult ball to hit.
This is BBC One. We apologise for the break into the FA Cup final. We are currently working on fixing the fault and we will get back into programming as soon as possible. This is BBC One. Once again, we apologise for the break into the FA Cup final. A disturbance has happened at Wembley Stadium. I don't know how to tell you this, but a huge explosion has occurred in the lobby of Wembley Stadium. We will be back with further updates as soon as it is available. This is BBC One. Once again, we apologise for the break into the FA Cup final. We have an official update from Wembley Stadium, where the FA Cup final is based. It says that the FA Cup final will be cancelled for today. We are thankful to announce that all of the players, attendees, managers and staff are fine at this time. You have got to be joking. I am sorry to announce, there has been a second explosion at Wembley Stadium. At this time, we can now confirm that the FA Cup final will be moved to Tottenham Hotspur Stadium, and will be held there at a later date. At this time, please stand by for an emergency broadcast. This is an emergency broadcast from BBC One. We regret to inform you that two explosions have taken place at Wembley Stadium, where the FA Cup final is played. It is currently unclear the extent of the damage or the cause of the explosions, but we can clarify that the explosions have caused a power outage and the evacuation of the stadium. At this time, please avoid being near the vicinity of Wembley Stadium, as it is currently being treated as a crime scene. Now on BBC One, the news with Hugh Edwards.